Now look at this question. Look at this question. What are you getting clarity? Here location of a particle is given. X is the location of a particle, which is in this equation. T cube plus 2t square plus 5t plus 10. This is the location of a particle. Can you say relation of something? Yeah. There is a relation of x with a t with a x. This is a relation. So relation of xt provides velocity. Velocity. Question is the same. I am giving you location of a particle. Only you have to calculate initial velocity, initial location, and initial acceleration. That's it. Question is asking to you. Yeah, initial location. Can you tell me V V V will be current acceleration, I am saying current acceleration. So V is equal to dV upon dt, dV dx upon dt, dx upon dt. So x is a t cube plus 2t square plus 5t plus 10. Okay, we have substituted value of x. This was our first step. Now what is the differentiation of a t cube? What is the differentiation of a 2t square? What is the differentiation of a 5t? And what is the differentiation of a 10? You are familiar with all this differentiation. So this will become 3t square plus hold on 40 plus 5, 40 plus 5, 10. Differentiation of a constant number will be 0 always, dt or no. We have done depreciation in the next step. Now we got v as a 3t square plus 4t plus 5. There is a relation of v with a t, with a t, with a t. Now at what second we have to calculate initial means 0. Initial means 0. Not initial means not 0, but rest means 0. Time is not given. I am showing that time is not given. Yes, now time is given. So we can this much. This is the location of a particle. This is the velocity of a particle where location is this much. Acceleration is how much? Now differentiation of this v will be our acceleration, current acceleration. So this will become 60 plus 4. Now at t is equal to 0, what is the x and what is the v and what is the a? What is the a? At t is equal to 0, you would say at 0 second location of a particle is 0 again, then 0, so 10. X is coming 10. Particle is at 10 where time is 0. Okay, so at this x is equal to 10, velocity will be just a substitute value of t as a 0 in this equation, you will get v as a something. So this term will become 0, this term also will become 0. We have a left thing which is a 5, velocity is a 5. Substitute value of t in this equation, a is equal to 6t plus 4, you will get 4. So acceleration is 4. Try to understand what is it trying to say. It is trying to say location of a particle is at 10 where t is a 0. with a velocity of a 5 having acceleration of a 4 meter per second square. Okay, this question is done. This question is done. Now next, let's change time. Now let's change time. At t is equal to t is equal to 2 seconds. What will be our p, x and a? What will be location of a particle? So x is going to be 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 plus 2 multiple 2 to the 4 plus 5 to the 10 plus 10. 8 plus 4 to the 8 again 20. 36. X is coming as a 36. So location of a particle is at a 36. Horizontally 36. Okay. Now what is the v? At 2 seconds. So v is going to be 3 multiple 2 to the 4 plus 4 to the 8 plus 5. It is going to be 4 to the 12 and 13, 25. Location of a particle is at 36 with velocity of 25 meter per second. Meter per second. Having acceleration of 6 to the 18 plus 4, 22. Having acceleration of 22 meter per second square. Per second square. All these values came where t is 2 second. Where t is 2 second. That is why you can find what is the location of x, where t is 3, where t is 4, what is the velocity, what is the acceleration of this particle where t is 4. Now next. Next question. Next question is eight plus 12t minus t raised to power 3. We have to find acceleration of the particle when velocity is 0. When velocity is coming as a 0. The next question is x is given, location of x is given, which is a t cube minus 12t square plus 10t plus 20. Find the location and the velocity of a particle when a is 0. When a is 0 means when f net is 0. F net is 0. Try to get clarity from this question that I wrote. Can you solve this kind of a question where velocity is becoming 0? I would say it's not difficult. Yeah, it's a little bit different from the previous question, because I am saying like that because uh, we didn't see this kind of equation in the previous part. That's why. So it's not a difficult different from the previous part. There is a little bit different, little bit change. There is a little bit change. Change that is change that is velocity is becoming zero. We have to calculate. Our work is to calculate acceleration of the particle. Acceleration. What is the acceleration of the particle? In this question, what is the acceleration of the particle where velocity is becoming zero? Velocity is becoming zero. So tell me, this is not the equation of velocity. It is a equation of location of x. So let's find equation of velocity. Suppose we will do differentiate it. Yeah. So it will be 0, 12 minus 3t square. 3t square. We have done differentiated. We have differentiated. V is a given. If you see over here, V is a given, which is a 0. So we will put value of V as a 0 in this equation. Then we will get value of t. From value of t, we will understand that at this time velocity is becoming 0. Yeah. So this 12 will come this side, minus 12 minus 3 t square. 3 fours are. So t is coming as a 2. At 2 seconds, velocity is becoming 0. That is what we are interacting with coming this answer. Now question was asking what is acceleration. So can you find? Already we have value of t. Already we have value of b. So we can find db upon dt. So differentiation of this v as 12 minus 3t square will be 12 will become 0. Yeah. 3 to the 6 minus 6t. T is nothing but it is a 2. So A came out as a minus 12 meter per second raised to power 2. Raised to power 2. So finally we got acceleration as a minus. Now tell me what will be complete information. What will be complete information for this equation? Complete information would be there is a person whose location is x as 8 plus 12t minus t cube. He is moving, he came to rest, and he came to rest with the acceleration of minus 12 meter per second. With this much acceleration, that person came to rest. With how much acceleration? This is a complete information of all this answer with the question. Now next question we have in front of you, which is this. X is given again in this question. We have to calculate location and velocity. Location and velocity of a particle where A is 0. Now A is 0. In this question, V was 0. V was 0. Now, in this question, A is 0. A is 0. A is 0. So we can find velocity. I have started solving this question. You can see what am I going to do for solve this question. To solve this. x is given. Depreciation of this would be, depreciation of this will give us velocity. Depreciation of velocity will give us a solution. So V is going to be 3t square minus 24t plus 10 plus 10. Okay, done. Now acceleration would be, acceleration of this would be 60, yes, 60 minus 24. Depreciation of a 10 is always 0. Okay, no problem. Now question is saying acceleration is 0, then find velocity and location. Now let's substitute value of a as a 0, which is given by the equation. 0 is equal to 60 minus 24. From this equation, from this linear equation, we are getting value of t. That means at this time acceleration is becoming 0. Okay. Acceleration will be becoming 0. And what about velocity? We will see. Hold on, we will see. So 0, 24 is equal to 60. 24 upon 6 is equal to t. 6 4s are 24. T came out as a 4 second. So at 4 second, acceleration is becoming 0. Okay. Now our work is to calculate velocity. That is equal to 4. So we will come out as a 3 multiple 4 raised to power 2 minus 24 multiple 4 plus 10. After simplifying this, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48 minus 24 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9 plus 10. 48 minus, hold on, it is coming in negative. So minus 86 minus 86 minus 48, 8 3 minus 38. Velocity is coming as a minus 38. It is in a negative. What do you understand? Velocity is a decreasing. What else? Velocity is a decreasing over here because acceleration is becoming 0. That's why. Now, what will be location of a particle where a velocity is this much? Velocity is this much. So location of the particle now will be at 4 seconds will be 4 raised to power 3 minus 12 multiple 4 raised to power 2, 4 raised to power 2 plus 10 multiple t is 4 plus 20. After simplify this, we will get 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 minus 12 multiple 4 4s are 16 plus 10 4s are 40 plus 20. Okay. 16 12 3 1 6 2 9 1 196 64 192 and 60 124 minus 192. So x is coming as a 8 6 yes minus 68. This is a in left side, I would say, in left side minus 68. This is our x. At 4 second, velocity is minus 38 meter per second, where acceleration is becoming 0 and x is minus 68. minus 68 unit you can minus 68 unit. Did you understand from this question something? Hmm? Have a look. So 48 minus 96 is all these answers are correct. Now let me write next question, which will be very easy. All these are correct. Now look at upcoming question that I am going to write. V is a given now. In the previous question, X was given. Now in this question, directly V is given, which is T square plus 2T. It's not complex. Find V and acceleration at T is equal to 2 seconds. Okay, no problem. We will see this kind of equation. Again, V is given x square plus 4x. Find V and acceleration at x is 2. X is 2. At x is 2. I wrote two questions. Can't you solve this question, this two question? Where V is a given, question is asking to find velocity acceleration. T is also given. In this question, you can stuck. I would say you can stuck in this question, but not in this. Let's solve. Uh, V is going to be 2 to the 4 plus 4 to the 8. So 4 plus 8, 12. V is 12. What about acceleration? You will have to differentiate for acceleration. So 2t plus 2 and t is given, which is 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to 6. Meter per second, and acceleration is 6 meter per second square. That's it. This question was asking. Did you feel difficult? No. Not at all. Now next, in this next question, t is not given. Instead, x is given. Location of a particle is given, which is the exact number without variable. How much? 2. 2. And I told you there is a separate formula for this. A is a d into dv upon dx. This formula, I'm talking about this formula, where t is not given. Now we are able to use this formula, and this type of formula is used when t is not given. T is not given. Now tell me, can you not use this formula? Yeah, of course you can use, brother. Use this formula, okay? So our differentiation of this x square will be 2x plus 4. 4. 4. But hold on. Here we have d and dv upon dx. dv upon dx. We are not differentiating this v, okay? This will be as x square plus 4x. This is in one bracket. Into differentiation. Now we are going to differentiate this x square plus 4x, which is 2x plus 4. It is in another bracket. Now our work is to multiply all these terms one by one. X square, x square. So this will become 2x cube plus 4x square. Then 4 to the 8x square. Then 4 the 16x. Here we can simplify this 8 4 12. 12x square plus 16x. 16x. Now tell me, x is a 2. Can you not substitute this value in this equation? Yes. So we will get how much? 2 multiple 2 raised to power 3 plus 12 multiple 2 raised to power 2 plus 16 multiple 2. After simplify this, you will get acceleration. And here we are getting v. Just substitute value of x as a 2 in this equation. So 2 raised to power 2 plus 4 multiple 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. We came out as a 12 meter per second. Where x is a 2, so velocity is a 12 meter per second. So acceleration is going to be 2 multiple 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 2 to the 4, 12 4 is 40. Yeah. Okay. Now we have 16 to the 32, 8 to the 16, 40, 30, 70 and 10, 80, 96 meter per second raised to power 2. Location of a particle is at 2, where velocity is 12 meter per second and having acceleration of 96 meter per second raised to power 2. Okay, this is your answer, brother. This was a little bit different, and it should be little bit different. Where we are moving ahead of this lecture, then new things should come, so that we can face in front of this kind of new questions. Okay, don't panic when new questions are coming, new things are coming. Don't afraid of new questions, new things. Okay, these two things are done. We have completed with the process. Can you find in this question average velocity? Can you find? Average velocity means initial velocity, final velocity. So final velocity minus initial velocity upon t upon t upon t, and time is from t is equal to 0 till the t is equal to 2, okay, till the t is equal to 5. This much time. This much time. So now tell me, brother. Now tell me. Now tell me. What would be average velocity? Okay. There is a huge difference between average velocity and current velocity, instantaneous velocity. So in initial final velocity is how much? For final velocity, we will have to substitute t as a 5 in this equation. So in initial velocity is initial velocity. Initial velocity is 2 to the 4 plus initial velocity is 12. T is of 5. So this is final. So 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 plus 5 is a 10. It is going to be 35. So final velocity is at 35. Initial velocity would be 2 to the 4, 4 plus 4 to the 8, 12. 2 to the 4 plus again 2 to the 4. So 8, it would be 8. 8 upon time is how much? 5 minus 2 will be 3. So it is going to be 27 upon 3. 9 3 is a. So 9 is the acceleration. Average acceleration. Okay. This is not cal. Average acceleration. We did how? We found first of all final velocity, then we found the initial velocity. Time was time taken was 3. Then we simplified. After simplified, we got a 9 number, which is as average acceleration. That is how you will solve it. That is how you will solve. Now let's take next question for calculating average acceleration. Average acceleration. Let me write first of all question. Now next question that I am going to write, just you see and try to understand. What thing can you observe? Can you observe? Am I visible? Am I visible? Yeah, I know I am visible. I am visible. So here I am writing expression. X is given t square minus 8t plus 10. Find average average velocity. Average velocity. And average speed. From t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 5. T is equal to 5. Find average velocity and average speed. From t is equal to 0 till t is equal to 5. Okay, 5. There is a twist. When it comes to average speed, there would be a twist for it. You can easily find average velocity. Yeah, average velocity. To calculate average velocity, we should have an initial location, final location. So initial location minus final location minus initial location upon t. Are you understanding? I'm not saying initial location plus final location upon t upon 2. No, I'm saying initial final location minus initial location upon t. So xf minus x1 upon t total time. Now here you would say me that we don't have value of x initial, value of x final. That is what you are observing. Don't worry, we have solution for this. Solution is at initial. What is the time? So at initial time is 0. Time is 0. In separate part, you try to find this x initial and x final. So x initial I am finding over here. So time t is 0. Okay. Just to substitute value of t in this equation, you will get x initial location. So t is 0. This first term will become 0. Second term will also become 0. So only we have one number which is a 10. 10 is initial location of a party. What about the final location? To calculate final location, we will have to analyze what is the time. So at a final location, time is 5 seconds. Just substitute value of t as a 5 in value of x. Okay, in value of x. So 5 5s are 25 minus 8 5s are 40. Okay, plus 10 will be as it. So this will become 35 minus 40. Yeah. So final location came out as a minus 5. X initial is this much and x final is minus 5. So minus 5 minus 10 upon time is how much? Time is 5 seconds. So finally you go to minus 15 upon 5. 5 3 is 15 minus 3. Average velocity is minus 3 meter per second. Okay, meter per second. So this is our average velocity. What about average speed? What about average speed? I told you that when we will see average speed, then there is a twist for you. That is how you will find x initial, x final. X initial, x final. Just you will substitute value of t. Whatever will be value of t. Okay, just substitute value of t in your equation. Now we check is your process correct or not. And this is important, brother. Okay, next speed, average speed. average speed. What is the formula for this? What is the formula for this average speed? So for this average speed we have simple formula, simple, that we used to do here. We used to listen in ninth class, which was speed is equal to distance upon time, means total distance. Okay, total distance upon time, total time, total time. But remember, in this question, in the previous question, we had a displacement, not a distance. But when it comes to distance, as we know definition of a distance, it explains that I will take all actual path that was covered by something. So what is the actual path? First of all, we will have to find this actual path, distance of an actual path that was covered. We now initial is what? Initial is sometimes so body might take might have taken turning. We now initial, we now final. Okay, it's okay. But what about a turning point? We don't know is object taken turning or not, or not. Or not. So for turning, remember, always remember, for turning here velocity will be zero. Velocity will be zero. So tell me, differentiation of this will be 2t, yes, minus 8. Velocity is becoming zero. When we will substitute v as a zero, then we will get a t, value for t. We will be able to interact with this coming t, upcoming t, which will be meaning at this particular time velocity is becoming zero, means at this point that object took a turn, so velocity is zero. 2t minus 8, 8 upon 2 is equal to t, so t is 4. At 4 seconds that object took a turn like this, turn. Okay, now our work is to draw a line so that we can analyze actual path of particle, actual path of particle. So this is a line, this is a line. Let's say here x is a 0, x is a 0, and you can say t is also 0, t is also 0. At t is a 0, at t is a 0, what is it coming? T is a 0, x is coming as a, x is coming as a, t is 0, x is coming as a 10, 10, exponential I would say. Okay, now we have t4 at 4 seconds. Let's say this is a t is equal to 4 seconds. So what would be our x? What would be our x? Here our object is a turning, taking turning. So at 4 seconds, x is coming how much? Here velocity is 0. Velocity is 0. So x is coming nothing but 4 4s are 4 4s are 16 minus 8 4s are 36 plus 10. 26 minus 36 means minus 10. Means minus 10. X is equal to 10. T is 0. This is correct. Minus 6. 4 minus 8 multiplied 4 minus 10. Minus 10. 4 4 is 16 minus 32 minus 10. So 16 minus 42. 60 minus 42. And here 2 minus 4 minus 7. It is becoming 0. So x is coming as a minus 6 over here. But how? Question is how? 4 4 is 16 minus 8 4 is, and this is a plus. This is a plus. 26 minus 32. Now this is minus 6. Yes, minus 6. So this x will be minus 6 over here. Minus 6 will come over here, where t is a 4. This went like this from here. And now finally our time is 5 seconds. T is a 5. Where T is a 5. T is a 5. So 5 5s are 25 minus 40 plus 10. 25 35 minus 40 minus 5 minus 5. So at minus 5, it took turn over here. T is equal to 5 over here. T is equal to 5. It took like this a turn to till here. He started moving from here and he stopped running till here, where t is a 5 and x is coming as a minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 5. Now total distance is how much? From here to till here. 10 minus 6 minus 4. Then one more. So 4 plus 5. 5. 4 plus 1. 5. Yes. That pattern we are observing. So 10, let's say here x is 0. From here this will be 10, and from here from 0 to minus 6 this will become section. From here to till here 70. So total distance is 70. From 10 to 0 this 10 meter, and from 0 to minus 6 this is 6 meter, and from minus 6 to minus 5 this 1 meter. this 1 unit. Okay, so our total distance is 70, and time, total time is how much? Total time is how much? So time we can say from here, t is 0, 5. Total time is 5. Total time is 5 upon 5 is your average speed. That is how you will calculate total average speed. This was your actual part. This is your actual part. It was compulsory. First of all, find the initial location, final location, then turning point. Then see your uh, actual covered distance by something. Then you will get total distance, and divide that total distance by time. You will get average speed. Have a look. Now let's take next question, which is based on average speed. Yeah, and question is asking what is average speed in this question. First step is to find initial location, what is initial location, and what is a final location, and what is a turning point. Turning of a particle. What is the turning of a particle? So x1 will come like this. T is 0. So x1 is 5. X final will be 5 5s are 25 minus 5 4s are 20 plus 5. So 30 minus 20, 10. X final is a 10. X final is a 10. Now what about a turning point? For turning point, as we know, V is going to be 0. So this 2t minus 4. This will become 0. 2t minus 4. 4 upon 2. T came as a 2. 2. At 2 second, velocity is becoming 0. Means object is a turning. At 2 second. Object is a taking turning at 2 second. Okay. So turning point. Turning at 2 second. Velocity is becoming 0. Now let's see actual path. Now our work is to see actual path so that we can find total distance. This is our x0. Okay. So initial location. Tell me where is the initial location. So x is becoming 5. This x is 5, and final location is a 10. I think it is going over here. 10. X is a 10. X is a 10. Where time is how much? Here t is a 0 and here t is a 5. Here t is a 5. Now see over here. What about this? T is equal to 2. Over here t is equal to 2, and for turning, what will be x? X will be t is 2, 2 to the 4, 4 minus 4 multiple 2, 4 to the 8, plus 5, 9 minus 8, so x came as a 1, 1. So over here x is 1 and t is 2, t is 2. That is what we have patterned right now. Can you see? First of all, it is started from here. It is going like this. It is started doing motion from here, brother. From here. As he reached over here, x is equal to 1. Then he take turn. He went till the x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. That is how particle covered a distance. How much? From here to till here, how much? 5. So I think 4. This 4 and 10. This will be 4, 13. Distance is going to be 13. This 4 and this 13. This 9. I think so. Let's see what is our real result. Real result. Real result is not the 13 but 8. This is 8. Let's see. This is 8. T is 0 over here. T is 0 over here. T is 0 over here. And now T is equal to 2. X is becoming 1. 2 to the 4 minus 4 to z plus 5. Am I correct? So t is equal to 0, x is a 5, and x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, 2. From here, particle started like this to till here. From 5, okay. Then it went like this. So what's wrong? This 5 minus 1, 4. And this is 10, not a 10. Again he is coming over here and it is going till the end. So till over here, again we have same. This particle came to the same initial point, That's why this 4 and this 4. This 4 and this 4. But this is not 4. This is not 4. It is a 10, brother. From 1 to 10, this is going to be 10. This is your homework. What will be? According to me, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. So 9. This is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 9 plus 4, 13. x is equal to 5. So here that to see over here. This our answer is correct. 13 is correct. But we did wrong over here. 20, 30. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. Plus 5. 30 minus. According to you, what do you think? Have a look this question. Now next question. Let's say next. X is minus t square plus 60 plus 10 from t is equal to 0 till the t is equal to 5. Average speed. What's the average speed? Average speed. So x1 will be at t is equal to 0. X1 will be 0 0 10. So x1 is going to be 10. X final will be x final add to 5. So minus 5. Can we write this 25? Yes. Plus 30 plus 10. Okay. 40 65. X final came out as a 65. X5 is equal to 65. Okay. What about a turning point? Turning. V is equal to minus 2t plus 6. That is equal to 0. So minus 6 upon minus 2 is equal to t. 2 3s are 6. T came out as a 3. Where velocity is becoming 0. So what will be x? X is going to be minus 3 raised to 4. So 3 3s are 9 plus 6 3s are 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 27 37. Where time is at 3 seconds, x is 37. Can you see pattern? Can you see pattern? Let's say x is equal to 0 is over here. Initial location, x is a 10, x is a 10, x is a 10, t is equal to 0, x is a 10, t is equal to 0. This is initial location. This is your initial location. Now final location, not final location but turning. T is equal to 0, then t is equal to 3, where x is coming as a 37. 37, it is going over here. 37, where x is a 37. At t is equal to 3 seconds. Here velocity is 0. Now x final will be our over here. So x finals will be come over here. So 65. X is a 65. X is a 65 where t is a 5. Means he started running from here 10. 10, then he went over here. 55. 55. This is your pattern, like this. So it's not a 65. This is not 65. Minus 40, but 50. Minus 50. Not 50, but 50. 15. Now this is correct. I ignored that minus. Now let's see. X final is x final is 15. X final is 15. Where t is 5 seconds. So t now turning is x is 37 and t is 3. T is 3. T is 3. First of all, here it started from here 10. So 37 minus 10 will be your 27. Then he came to over here final. So 37 minus 15. 37 minus 15 will be your 2. So 22. So 49. 49 is your answer. Day is 49. Day is your 49. And upon 5. This is your average aspect. Now this is your average. Thirteen by 5. 13 by 5. This is wrong. This is for you. This is for you.